So here's a scrap logic board. These are the switches, right here. If you get a nice sharp black stick and you get right underneath like that, you'll be able to pull up the button as such. Mushy click wheels, it's because the black dot up here has moved off center like this. Really all you have to do, I just use my fingers. You can just lift it up and put it back down right where it's supposed to go, right there in the middle. You want to make sure and re-adhere it so it doesn't move again. But you know, it's a scrap board, so